The 2027 Toyota RAV4 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting updates in the compact SUV market. For years, the RAV4 has been one of America's favorite SUVs because it offers a strong combination of practicality, efficiency, comfort, reliability, and everyday usability. For 2027, Toyota appears to be pushing the formula further with a more modern design, smarter technology, improved electrification, and a cabin that could feel dramatically different from earlier generations. The exterior is expected to be the first thing that gets attention. Toyota has been moving toward sharper, more technical styling across its lineup, and the next RAV4 fits naturally into that direction. Instead of the familiar rounded appearance associated with older models, the 2027 version could feature a more squared-off body, stronger character lines, a redesigned front fascia, and a more confident stance. The front end could receive slimmer LED headlights connected visually to a redesigned grille area. The lighting signature may give the SUV a distinctive appearance at night, while a more sculpted hood could add a sense of strength. Depending on the trim, Toyota could offer different bumper designs, wheels, exterior finishes, and blacked-out elements to create separate personalities for urban, premium, and adventure-focused versions. From the side, the RAV4 is expected to maintain its practical proportions while adopting cleaner surfaces and more aerodynamic details. Larger alloy wheels on upper trims could give it a more upscale appearance, while rugged versions may receive additional protective body elements and increased visual emphasis on outdoor capability. The rear design could be equally modern. New LED taillights, a redesigned tailgate, updated bumper styling, and a more integrated spoiler could make the vehicle look wider and more planted. Toyota could also use different lighting signatures and trim details to distinguish the various versions. But the biggest surprise may be inside the cabin. The interior of the 2027 RAV4 is expected to move toward a more sophisticated, technology-focused environment. Toyota has been improving its cabin designs across newer products, and the RAV4 could receive a cleaner dashboard layout with a larger central display, a digital instrument cluster, improved materials, and more intuitive controls. The dashboard could feature a wide horizontal design that visually connects the driver display and infotainment screen. This would give the cabin a more modern appearance without making it feel unnecessarily complicated. Physical controls for important functions could remain available, which would be welcome for drivers who prefer straightforward operation while driving. Higher trims could feature upgraded upholstery, soft touch materials, contrast stitching, metallic accents, and premium trim finishes. Toyota may also improve cabin insulation, making the RAV4 quieter during highway travel. This would be especially important because many American owners use the RAV4 for long road trips as well as everyday commuting. The seating arrangement should continue to prioritize comfort and practicality. The front seats could receive additional support and improved cushioning, while rear passengers should have useful legroom and headroom. A spacious cabin remains one of the RAV4's strongest advantages, particularly for families who want SUV practicality without moving into a much larger vehicle. Technology is another major part of the transformation. The 2027 RAV4 could feature a larger infotainment screen with faster processing, improved graphics, wireless smartphone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB-C charging ports, and wireless phone charging. A digital driver's display could provide customizable information, including navigation directions, efficiency data, driving assistance information, and vehicle status. Depending on the trim, a head-up display could also become available, projecting important information into the driver's line of sight. Connected services could allow owners to check vehicle information remotely, locate the SUV, monitor certain functions, and receive software updates. Over-the-air updates could make it easier for Toyota to improve selected vehicle systems without requiring owners to visit a dealership for every software change. The audio experience could also receive an upgrade. Premium versions may offer a higher-end sound system with improved speakers and stronger cabin acoustics. For families and commuters who spend hours inside their vehicles, these small improvements can make a significant difference. Under the hood, electrification is likely to remain one of the most important stories. Toyota has established a strong reputation for hybrid technology, and the RAV4 has become one of the most recognizable hybrid SUVs in America. The 2027 model is expected to continue emphasizing efficient electrified powertrains. A hybrid configuration could provide a strong balance between fuel economy and everyday performance. Electric assistance can deliver smooth low-speed response while helping reduce fuel consumption in city traffic. For American drivers who cover significant distances every week, this could translate into meaningful savings over time. Plug-in hybrid technology could also remain an important part of the lineup, offering drivers the ability to travel using electric power for shorter trips while retaining a gasoline engine for longer journeys. This setup can be particularly useful for households that have access to home charging but still want the flexibility of gasoline-powered long-distance travel. The exact horsepower, range, fuel economy ratings, battery capacity, and acceleration figures should be confirmed when Toyota releases official specifications. It is important not to treat early reports or expectations as final production data. Driving dynamics could also improve. The RAV4 has traditionally been tuned for comfort and practicality, but Toyota has demonstrated that modern SUVs can offer more engaging handling without sacrificing everyday usability. Revised suspension tuning, steering calibration, braking response, and chassis rigidity could make the 2027 model feel more confident on winding roads and highways. All-wheel drive should remain an important option, particularly for buyers in regions that experience snow, rain, and challenging road conditions. Electrified all-wheel drive systems can provide additional traction without requiring a traditional mechanical connection between the front and rear axles. Adventure-oriented versions could continue offering increased ground clearance, rugged styling, specialized tires, and drive modes designed for different surfaces. These models would appeal to buyers who want a vehicle capable of weekend outdoor adventures while still being comfortable enough for weekday commuting.